How to change your middle name on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your middle name on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and now just click here these three lines in the top corner, and after you click on it just go down until you find settings, click on it and then click this one, personal and account information, and then you will find your name here. Click edit and now click on your middle name here and you can change it to anything you want. And after you change it, just click review change and it will be changed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.